What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Bass Union. Joe Roscoe and got Bo Allen. We're just getting over here, pulling up to the Redbud launch ramp. We're actually getting out today and tomorrow. We have our practice for the Wild West Bass Trails Tournament of Champions for the team tournament circuit. We're gonna go ahead and just vlog these next 2 days and kind of take you through our journey through the ups and downs and see if we can find some fish, introduce you guys to some new people, and kind of see how everybody else is doing and just have a good time. Oh, you ready, Bo?
Oh yeah, I'm ready to go stick some big ones. Gonna go toss around some baits I'm not really comfortable with, some baits that me and Joe have never really thrown. But we'll see how today goes. Yeah. We'll keep you updated if anything happens. It's gonna be a good day.
Last time we were out was like maybe a week and a half ago, and we got on a really good bite throwing jigs. So I'm hoping that holds true, you know, coming into this weekend. So we'll take you guys along. Good old Gary trying to figure out his new grabs, new boat. Thing looks sick, huh?
Oh yeah, it's pretty sweet.
So if you see some guy that's going around in a boat that looks like a bunch of nuts, it suits him because he's nuts.
Oh yeah, it's a perfect boat for him.
Well, hooked into our first fish, and I think she's a dandy. Oh, it might be a catfish. No. Oh. It's a catfish.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, disgusting. Oh. Man, me and catfish. Oh, get over here. Dude. First fish, big old kitty. Oh shit. We're gonna have that thing hooked. There. She wasn't going nowhere, man. Whew. On that finesse, Matt Brown destroyed that thing. I thought that was a giant bass, man. We were on to something. Well, let's keep moving. Well, Bo was just hooked up on his first LV 500 fish, and what do we got?
Another catfish.
Oh my gosh.
That's 2 catfish and 0 bass today.
What the hell's going on? Where's all these bass at? Jeez, I was gonna unhook this fish and get back to it.
I finally bit off my first bass out of the box.
Oh yeah?
Attaboy.
Mikey Clem in the new boat.
What's up? What's up, Bass Union?
How you liking it, buddy?
Nice. You can actually fit all my tackle in here. I fit in here. Good.
Hell yeah.
I'm pretty stoked.
It's on.
Looks like we're gonna get the tester out in rough water this afternoon too.
Yeah, it's gonna be beating us to death today.
Oh my god. I'm ready for a cheeseburger already.
Oh no, that's bass.
Oh, that's a freaking...
Dude, that ain't no catfish, bro.
Uh-uh.
I thought that was a catfish.
I honestly thought.
But that's actually a big bass. That's a good one. Oh, look at that. Bass Union jig right there. Finesse football, Matt Brown. Oh. I honestly thought that was a catfish, man. I want to shake him off.
Now the reason we thought it was a catfish is because so far and today we've caught 6 catfish. I've caught 2 on an LV 500, 1 on a drop shot. He's caught a couple on a jig. I mean, it's been an insane day for catfishing, but bass fishing has been a little bit slower.
It's a good one. Went 5 pounds. Let's put her down. Wow. I don't know what to say, man. I swear I thought it was a catfish. It was just the rolls and stuff on it. Caught me off guard. Oh boy.
Well, little Bo got himself his good one.
Yeah,
How much do you think that one's going?
3.5, close to 4 probably.
Heck yeah, buddy.
Another solid fish finally.
Think we might be getting in on to something, huh?
Oh yeah. Struggled in the beginning of the day, but I think we got something kind of figured out now. Took us long enough, but we're on 'em.
Gary called you. What's up, everybody? This is day 2 of practice. Me and Bo are out here. Just launched out of the state park, and man, towards the end of the day, we started figuring a little something out. So we're gonna see if we can duplicate that today, and if we can make it happen, then we might have something going at least for tomorrow. I know Sunday is gonna be supposed to be some brutal wind, so I'm not quite sure how that's gonna play out. So, what do you think, Bo?
It's gonna be a different deal Sunday. That wind's supposed to pick up with gusts pretty strong, up to 50 miles an hour. So it's gonna change the bite for everyone. It is. All these guys who are fishing down here in the south, if those winds get up, you aren't going to be able to go through the Narrows. Or you'll be able to go through it, but you ain't coming back. So it's going to be a different tournament, that's for sure. It's not going to be the same.
Let's go see if we can find some.
Well, a little update for you guys. We got on some good fish. We've been putting something together for tomorrow and Sunday, if we're even allowed to fish Sunday.
Yeah, it's gonna be super windy on Sunday, and we'll see how that plays out, if they actually keep it going or not. But today, it's about 2 o'clock, 2:30. We're on the water. We pull the trolling motor down. We go turn that thing, and the foot pedal gets hella loose on us, and is not doing anything to the trolling motor. I figured out that the remote control will still turn the trolling motor. So we called a few shops around. That's why we're driving right now. Got a hold of a guy named Lyle Gossett, and he's gonna take a look at the trolling motor for us and hopefully get us going again so we can fish this tournament. So we'll keep you guys posted. So we are, I think, one of the luckiest people out there.
Oh yeah.
Day before a big tournament, call around everywhere, but we hit up a guy named Lyle Gossett. So shout out to you, buddy. You got us back on the road, my friend. Fixed. We had a trolling motor cable snapped on us, so luckily he had an extra one and was able to put that in for us, and I think we're back. We're ready to go. Oh, yeah. So just got to Clearlake Outdoors, about to check in and keep it going. Well, guys, back at the house, got done doing the check-in, had some dinner at the banquet, and we're boat 33 tomorrow. So we'll be weighing in at, I think it was 3:45 or second flight. And Sunday, it's going to be interesting. The forecasting is going to be, I don't know, what kind of wind are we talking about? 50 mile an hour?
30 to 40 mile an hour winds with 60 mile an hour gusts.
So I've never fished out here on Clearlake when it's that bad. So they said the morning of that they're going to decide if it's too bad, they're going to call it, and if they think it's fishable, they're going to blast us off. But we're going to take it one day at a time. We're going to get out there tomorrow, boat 33, blast off, catch a limit, 7 fish, and we're going to sack them up.
Oh yeah.
You ready for this, man?
Oh yeah. I know what baits I'm throwing tomorrow. He knows what baits he's throwing tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
I think together, because I ain't throwing the same thing he's throwing. I'm throwing a completely different thing.
Mm-hmm.
So, hopefully together we can put a good bag together.
Yeah. I think we got a chance.
Oh yeah.
So I want you guys to wish us luck. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.